Hi, this is Wayne with Bassador Woodworking. Today we're back with some more turning. I'm going to turn some 2x4s into a couple of cups. I've done this before with mixed results. One of them came out pretty nice and tight. The other one came out and looked like it was three 2x4s that were just glued together and there were gaps everywhere. Hopefully this time I let the glue set a lot longer. It's been setting actually for well over a week, so it is thoroughly dried and thoroughly cured. So this hopefully will give me a much better result. I'm gonna knock the corners off with the bandsaw just to reduce the time I need to round it out on the lathe and try to keep this moving. There, that was just quick, like 20 minutes, and it's a nice funky little cup. I'm gonna take it off the faceplate, trim the bottom, and then just hit it with a coat or two of lacquer, and it's all set. There it is. I like it. I think it's kind of cute. It has some character. It came out a lot better than previous 2x4 cups that I did. I still have another 2x4 blank and I still have another plywood blank, but I'm going to save those for a future video. I don't want to do too many videos all in a row that are essentially doing the same thing, just turning a cup out of a different material. But those will be in a future video. I'll just put them on a shelf for now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep up to date with new projects as they are released, and until next time.